Traders, I am pleased that you enjoyed my previous 2 videos about artificial intelligence trading indicators, so I set out to find more TradingView indicators that were based on AI. Over the past 2 days, I have been testing various options, and I have finally found a truly original artificial intelligence indicator that has the highest success ratio. To add this indicator to our chart, first open any chart on TradingView. The script you're looking for is this one right here. As you can see, this is a new indicator and not many people are aware of it yet. View and navigate to the indicators section, where you should enter AI Engulfing Candle. When you've used it, the chart ought to resemble this. The AI Engulfing Candle is a signal for trading that seeks out bullish and bearish engulfing price patterns. If this sort of pattern is unfamiliar to you, don't worry, I will explain it in a moment. Whether it is a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern, the engulfing bar is one of traders' favorite candlestick patterns because it gives a reliable signal and is very easy to identify. Since it only requires 2 candlesticks to form, it is the simplest of all chart patterns to identify, and as a result, if all of the engulfing bar characteristics are met, the trade will be successful. It is the most recognizable pattern of all chart patterns, taking the shape of what is known as the enveloping bars pattern. The engulfing bar is a reversal pattern or signal and is formed when the most recent candle completely engulfs the candle to its left depending on the last candle. There are 2 types of engulfing price bars, bullish and bearish. So how is this indicator any special, you might ask, and why do we need it in the first place? Well, let's run a quick experiment where we will add a regular engulfing candlestick indicator to the chart. Right away we noticed that the one distinct engulfing design, it finds that this can frequently lead to confusion and a lot of false entries, in contrast to my AI-based indicator, which is more accurate and hardly ever gives signals in a ranging market. This fact alone can elevate your trade entries. For example, if you only took high probability trades that have an 80 or even 90% success rate, even with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1, you would make a lot of money. But what is the secret of this AI indicator? The reasoning is clear. A bearish engulfing candle is only displayed if it happens to be in place when the RSI is overbought, and a bullish engulfing price bar is only displayed if it occurs when the RSI is oversold. However, because the indicator is AI-based, it learns from its past performance and aims to improve the quality of the signals. Even though this script has the potential to be extremely accurate at times, we shouldn't always follow its signals blindly. As a result, we must obtain additional confirmations before we can accept these signals as legitimate. To do this, access the indicators once more and look for Fluid Trades SMC by PMG. The next step is to open its settings and hide everything except support and resistance levels. The Fluid Trades SMC indicator plots key levels on the chart by showing the areas of supply and demand. When the price hits these levels, there is a high likelihood that the trend will reverse when combined with our clever engulfing pattern, which is plotted by the SMC indicator. Candlestick indicators allow us to determine when market participants are most interested in buying and selling a stock. Before buying, we should make sure that the price has been rejected by the level of support and keep in mind that the candle bar must not close below the blue line. Once we have done that, we should wait for the AI indicator to give a buy signal before opening a position with a target of 2 times the risk. Stop losses should be put below the support area, but only the stop loss to break even once you've made half the profit. Traders, if you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. As you can see, the regulations are simple to adhere. Let's look at another illustration. Here the price must first retest the resistance level, which is where the majority of traders are located. After the market respected the main level of support, the indicator discovered a bullish engulfing pattern, and all conditions are met for making buy. For sell entries, the price must first retest the resistance level. This is where the majority of traders take their profits, which results in a drop in price. The indicator identifies a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. We abide by the guidelines and place a sell order. We set our stop loss order above the level of resistance, and our target price is 2 times the risk. Traders should keep in mind not to stake more than 5% of your account per transaction. Never exit a trade too soon. You might feel excited about the profit you're making on a trade, but this doesn't matter because the price hasn't hit your take profit target yet. Risk management is everything when it comes to trading success. You can have the most accurate entry signals in the world, but if your risk management is poor, you will lose money over the long term. Any profit that has not yet been achieved is not a win. The only way to succeed in this industry is to be patient and let the strategy do what it is intended to do. You should also backtest every strategy before engaging in live trading. Okay, so now that you know the trading setup, let's actually do our backtest on a 1-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.